Grai, I yelled at my friend yesterday. I feel so bad. I didn't mean to hurt them, but now they're avoiding me. I wish I could just take it back. Grai says gently and kindly. Aw, Pinky, that's a tough feeling. When anger comes out and hurts someone, it can feel like the vines in our jungle are tangled. But remember, wise explorers know how to repair the jungle. Let's explore how to make things right, both with others and inside our own hearts. When we realize we've hurt someone, the first step is to take responsibility. That means we don't blame anyone else or make excuses. We simply say, I'm sorry I hurt you. I want to make it right. A real apology is more than just words, though. It's about understanding how our actions affected the other person. It's like planting a new seed in the jungle, one that needs time, care, and honesty to grow. After we apologize, we also need to forgive ourselves. That doesn't mean pretending it didn't happen or forgetting it. It means learning from our mistake and promising ourselves we'll do better next time. Remember, explorers, making a mistake doesn't mean you're a bad person. It means you're learning and growing. Just like the jungle grows after a storm, your heart can grow stronger with each experience. Grai explains, sometimes even after we apologize, the person we hurt might not feel ready to forgive us right away. That's because healing takes time. Just like a jungle vine needs time to mend after it's been cut. Saying I'm sorry is important, but it doesn't always mean everything goes back to the way it was. Sometimes people need space to trust us again, and sometimes they might decide they don't want to be as close anymore, and that's okay. Forgiveness is a gift we can offer others and ourselves, but reconciliation, becoming close again, depends on both people and whether trust can be rebuilt. Stoic thinkers remind us that we can't control what others choose to do after we apologize, but we can control our own actions and keep showing kindness, respect, and honesty. Modern psychology says that a genuine apology means taking responsibility without expecting the other person to immediately forgive us. We can keep being patient and showing we've learned by choosing kindness and keeping our promises. When we do that, we make our own hearts stronger, no matter what happens with the other person. Think of a time you hurt someone with your anger. Did you apologize? How did it feel to take responsibility? Did you feel stronger afterward? In closing, Pinky says, ready for our explorer's mantra. Let's say it together. I pause, I breathe, I repair my jungle with honesty and kindness.